checking out the farm with all the animals them. So we maybe do this maybe once a week. So we gotta check out entirely all the animals them before we leave. Because we do it once a week, but we got soldiers right here. See all the dogs them that protect here. So this is a 5-month-old puppy. He on training with the bigger boys them and girls. No? So one of the goats them there, 2 of them, mama and baby, right there. That baby is 1 month old. And this is my little puppy. This is my little soldier right here, they training him. The bigger one them training him. This is Hunter, see him right here? This is Sarah. She pregnant. Yeah, that's my flocks of goat coming in. Yes, they coming in there now. All my goats them. That I'm talking about. See them right there. One more right there. That's all my soldiers. They protect this farm. And how they get feeding. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. So each time I come up here 2 times a week. I got dog feeding open. So they comes and they eat what they want and they goes. Welcome to Wonder Boy Farm. Now I'm going on the goats, I'm going to feed the goats. So each time I come here I give them a bag of feed. Sure all the trough are clean. This is the Hakshan goats. So we got to quarantine them because when they come here, most of them are sick. For some reason, when you buy goats at the auction, when you bring them in, they are sick. You got to quarantine them. You can't let them go in your herd. That's all your herd will sick. So now, we're going to call in all the goats then to come in. And the reason why I'm going to call in them shortly, I got to inspect them before I get out of here. Worm them and drench them. And welcome to this episode of Wonder Boy. Now, this is the next set of goat I have, what I buy from the auction. If you know anything about the auction, ladies and gentlemen, if a goat over there selling for $500 and you see one selling for $800, buy the $800 one. Because the one where you buy for $500, you're going to spend more than $800 on that $500 goat. When you go into the auction, don't buy no goat into the auction to raise, because they're all sick. I go to the auction 20 years now. I've been going to the auction, and each goat that I buy at the auction, when I come home, they're sick. 20 years. Alright, I have these goats from about 4 months now, and they still do not get better. And I'm still working on them to catch up. Ladies and gentlemen, do you know the amount of money that I spend here for medicine for these goats, just to buy them from the auction? So, stay away from the auction. So I'm drenching, but
Can I get a goat now?
these drench, you have to cross them, because when one don't detect the worm, the other detect the worm. So you got to cross the both of them.
Let me hold this. Let me hold this leg.
Yeah. So when you're drenching them, you have to go by body weight.
Oh, he jumped.
This one already get already.
That black one?
Yeah.
And which one?
The brown one.
Any one of these, you see these? Come hold this one, hold this one. Yeah, that's my last son, Lucky, see? He's working the goats them with me. Gentlemen, if you want to see more of Wonder Boy, you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. You get a lot more from Wonder Boy. Peace out.